In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. If you've ever noticed that some videos are missing or certain comments don't appear, chances are restricted mode is turned on. This feature is designed to help filter out potentially mature content, which can be useful in shared or supervised environments. But if you're trying to see all content that's available to you, I'll walk you through turning it off in just a few moments and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open YouTube and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile picture. If you haven't set a photo, you'll see your account initial in a small circle. That's the button you want. This opens a menu with account options and quick settings. Don't worry if your menu looks slightly different. The item you need is usually near the bottom. Next, in that menu, find Restricted Mode. Click it to open the setting. This takes you to a simple panel where you can control whether filtering is active on this device or browser. If you're wondering what it actually does, Restricted Mode uses a combination of automated systems, user feedback, and other signals to try to limit mature or age-restricted content. It's not perfect, but it can hide a noticeable amount of videos and comments. Now, toggle off, activate restricted mode. When the switch is off, YouTube will stop filtering content on this browser. You might notice that previously hidden videos become visible, and some comments reappear. If a video still doesn't show up, try refreshing the page or navigating back to the channel to see if it appears after the change takes effect. A quick tip here. This setting usually applies only to the browser or app you're using right now. If you watch YouTube on multiple devices, like a laptop, a tablet, and a phone, you may need to repeat this on each one. Also, if you're not signed in, the setting can be tied to your current browser session, so a different browser or a cleared cache may require you to set it again. One more important note, if you're using a school, work, or family-managed account, restricted mode may be locked and can't be turned off from your side. In that case, you'll see that the control is grayed out or says it's controlled by your administrator. You'll need to contact the person who manages your account or network to request changes. That's it. You've turned off restricted mode and restored full access to eligible content on YouTube.